Today, you're going to learn how to file taxes on a small income, specifically $5,000, using ChatGPT as your personal filing assistant. I'll show you the exact prompts you can copy and paste to understand whether you need to file, how much tax you might owe, and what forms to prepare. This guide is perfect for beginners, part-time workers, students, side hustlers, and anyone earning under the tax threshold. Before you begin, gather your income records such as pay stubs, bank statements, or payment summaries. You'll also need to know whether your income came from employment, freelance work, tips, or cash payments. If you're unsure what counts as taxable income, the first prompt will clarify it. Start with this prompt. Tell me if I need to file taxes in the US if I earned $5,000 this year. Explain the rules in simple terms. This gives you a clear yes or no based on filing requirements, age, and dependency status. Next, use this prompt to understand your situation better. Ask me questions about how I earned the $5,000, then tell me what forms I need to file and whether I qualify for a refund. After answering, you'll receive a personalized filing guide. If you want help calculating potential tax, use this. Estimate my tax or refund based on a $5,000 income and explain the calculation in simple steps. This helps you see whether tax was owed, withheld, or refundable. For additional clarity, use this prompt. Explain the credits I might qualify for at a $5,000 income with examples. Before finishing, run this accuracy check. List common mistakes people make when filing taxes with low income so I can avoid them. Finally, strengthen your habits with this. Create a simple routine to track small income and receipts so filing next year is easier. And that's it. Filing taxes on a small income is straightforward. When you follow clear steps and stay organized, you only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and end to confirm your information. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with, so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.